Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in the trade on GU. I did a sell on 30.38. Did 4 contracts at $36.75. Right now, I'm $90 in profit. Market's currently at 330 right now. Well, 30.30, excuse me. 30.30. Things are looking good. Take a peek at the chart. We're looking pretty good. I wish y'all would have got this price up here, but we're good to go. Right now, the trade is winning right now, so we'll see what we got going on. We got 37 minutes left, so that's a lot of time right there. About to make up $100 accounts. I'll be at 1,500, a little bit above 1,500 if I win. But right now, if I take profit, this would be a good profit. Now that I made close to 500 in the last 3 days, or 2 days. And it'll be pretty good. But I ain't gonna keep talking you guys to death. I'll get back with you in 37 minutes. Yo, I'm back. Market's currently at 30.29. We're under a minute, going under 30 seconds. Right now, we was in full profit, but y'all know what just happened. So we're in full profit, $123. Just to check the charts, see what's going on. Boom. 30.28. Y'all see what my entry was. 30.38. Excuse me. So 10 pips away from the market price. Well, 9 pips on nadex. So y'all can see another victory here. All right, that's a victory. Pretty much gonna be pretty done for the week. I gotta go to work tomorrow. By the time I get off, market's gonna be closing. So if I get up early, then it'll be different. But right now, 565, close to 600 for the week. So pretty good, doing pretty good right now. Doing pretty good. What, 3 days, 2 days right now. This is day 2. So 2 days, $500. It's a good deal, man. It's a good deal. Strategy been working well. Hedge fund worthy. we know who said things like that. So it's just a little joke, man. But I was checking out, y'all.